Alright, we're gonna do a quick little magnesium video for you here. You're not gonna be able to see my talking head. I'm gonna do a demo because of the camera angle. I'm gonna do a demo right here. This is our new Tri-Mag magnesium supplement that we are super excited about. It's a little different way to take it. This is part of our morning routine. So what we do is we're gonna put a teaspoon of magnesium into the glass of water. So that's how it starts. So we take two teaspoons a day, one in the morning and one in the early afternoon. So this is part of our morning routine. That is going in there. Then I slice up some fresh lime. This actually came from our friend's tree, if you could imagine. Super cool. Then I'm going to squeeze the fresh lime into the magnesium glass. I'm going to get a whole lot of juice out of that one. But then you're not gonna be able to see this because of the camera angle. But I'm just adding water to this. We got some boiled water with ginger and turmeric on the fridge, and that's about how much water we add to it. So that's what we have every morning. It tastes absolutely amazing. So if you haven't got on the Tri-Mag train yet, get on it. All right, so I wanted to show you my plants that are growing on the front deck here. And so this one here is basil. I actually chopped that one off and repotted it. That one came from that one. That was not looking so happy right now, but this one came from that one and I repotted it. I put some eggshells in there to help with bugs and to offer calcium to the dirt, to the soil I should say. This one is kind of sad, but I believe in it. It's got hope. This one here is my basil. Or sorry, this is parsley. As you can see, it's not looking so healthy. And this is my tomato plant. This is my prize right here. And look at this baby. Oops, sorry. Look at this baby. I got a tomato coming right there. Got another tomato in the back there. And there's more tomatoes coming. I'm super excited about this. I put a lot of work into that little tomato plant. And there's aphids all over it. I pick off aphids with tweezers, if you could imagine, every morning. And I water it, and I talk to it. I believe in it. It's gonna happen. And then here's my mint plant that's doing okay. And then here's my other mint plant that's not doing okay. It's super sad. It's kind of like sticky, and it's, oh, let me zoom in there. It's kind of sticky, and it's got these bugs on it. I know everyone's like telling me like what to do, like, oh, you can spray it with oil or soap or I heard all kinds of stuff, but that one's gonna come back. I believe in it. So this is what I got going on. I will do another video when I get some red tomatoes, but they're coming. They're coming. Believe it. Grow. So we wanted to show you this cool stand. Dorothy painted it. I helped a little bit. We got it at the thrift store for like $4.99. $3.99. The paint was like $5, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It holds the printer, and it holds my microphone and camera, and it's awesome. It's got this drawer as well. That's where our thank you cards are. And Dorothy is going to paint that one too. So I'm pretty excited about that. We'll show you the end result soon. Check out our view. Oh, here's our clothesline. Check out the clothesline. And there's our view. Woo-hoo. Where are we going, Dorothy?
Going to the car show!
Friday night car show!
Friday night car show at Ruby Tuesdays!
What do you have there? Where is that little thing?
I got a little dog here. This is Pia. Oh, she's camera shy.
There's not much of her.
But when she gets those little legs moving, she can motor.
We'll show you some clips of the car show coming up soon. Hey, Dorothy.
Hey, Drew.
What's going on?
I'm working on painting up this end table, making it look new.
It looks awesome already.
I'm just priming it right now.
What color are you painting it?
Well, the primer is white.
What's the
I
end color?
think the end color is going to be blue, like your printer little table thing.
Yeah.
I think blue.
So they match.
Like beachy blue.
Matchy
And then
match.
They'll match. Yeah.
Awesome. We're looking forward to the finished product.
Yeah, it's going to be nice. with so much enthusiasm, Drew. By we, I mean I, whipped up this beautiful triple berry salad. I've already dished my own up. Drew, you're on your own to dish it up.
I see that.
But this is one of our favorite salads. Quick and easy to make. We actually did a Cooking with Dorothy triple berry salad. So you can get the full recipe there, or you can go on to our website, trueformlife.com, to get the full recipe. But one of our most favorite recipes because of all of the health benefits. We have so much antioxidants going on here from the berries and then from the greens. We have healthy fats from walnuts, avocado, and then normally we throw in quinoa for a carb and a protein as well, but we kind of forgot that tonight. But if you throw in the quinoa as well, it'll make it a complete meal with all your macros. Good pooping, good girl. Lucy Drew. Lucy Drew. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come on.